Good morning students, welcome back to STEP online class. Today we continue the same chapter integral calculus first. And also we are going to see some special types of integrals. Okay, in this type we are having 6 formulas. Now today we are going to see only 2 formulas. Among those 6 we have to see only 2 formula method. The first one is dx by a square minus x square. Integral dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. And second one, integral dx by x square minus a square, which is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Listen, these two, a square minus b square are x square minus a square integral. So given integral, suppose question like we have to form any one of these two methods. First one minus x square to minus sign varudhu, idhula vandu x square to plus sign, constant to minus. Next listen the question second one. Exercise 2.7 second one. Second one is 9 minus 8x minus x square in the denominator. Listen, idhula x square to minus. Okay, x square to minus is appadina, this is of our first type. X square to minus. Okay, first we rearrange this in the form of a square minus x square. So consider our given equation. Consider the denominator only. Denominator mattum eduthukom. The question is 9 minus 8x minus x square. So 9 minus 8x minus x square mattum consider பண்றோம். அதுல x term ரெண்டுமே வந்து கம்பைன் ஆயிடும். So 9 minus, taking minus outside, ரெண்டுமே minus வந்து காமனா இருக்கு. So x square plus 8x. First write x square and then write x term. Okay, next இது வந்து whole square form ல எழுதுவோம். whole square form அப்படினா listen, x உடைய coefficient என்ன பாருங்க. x உடைய coefficient என்ன 8. அத 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா this is our b. Okay, what we get 8 by 2 is 4, isn't it? So our b is 4. ஏன் இந்த b ன்னு எடுத்துட்டோம்னா இது ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கும். either a plus b whole square டைப்ல இருக்கலாம் or a minus b whole square டைப்ல தான் இருக்கும். Suppose x உடைய coefficient பாருங்க a plus 8 ன்னு இருக்குது அப்படினா பிளஸ் ஃபார்ம்ல வரும். minus 8 இங்க இருக்குது அப்படினா a minus b ஃபார்ம்ல வரும். Okay, next find b. b equal to coefficient of x 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணனும். That is our b. Next find b square. What is b square? b square is 4 square. 4 square becomes 16, isn't it? So நம்ம 16 இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஓட add and subtract பண்ணனும். Okay, inside x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 16. Okay, 9 minus combining these three terms. இந்த 3 terms பாருங்க, இது வந்து எந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கு அப்படினா a plus b whole square டைப்ல இருக்கு. That means a square plus 2ab plus b square டைப்ல இருக்கு. So we have to write this type a plus b whole square டைப்ல எழுதுறோம். Here a is x. Okay, a is x. So our a plus b becomes x plus b is what? 4 square. Okay, next minus 16 அப்படியே. Next இந்த minus sign உள்ள எடுத்துறோம். 9 minus of x plus 4 the whole square, minus into minus becomes plus 16. Combining these two 9 and 16 we get 25 minus x plus 4 the whole square. This is 5 square. 25 is 5 square minus x plus 4 the whole square. Now we change this type. A square minus x square type to change பண்ணிட்டோம். Okay, next using this formula. So here a is what? A square is 5 square, so a is 5 and x is x plus 4. And x உடைய coefficient ஏதாவது check பண்ணிக்கோங்க. coefficient by 2a இல்லாம ஒரு x ஓட கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் வரும். Okay, next integrating the both sides. இப்போ இது ஈக்குவல் டு இது நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். இப்போ இன்டகிரேட் பண்றோம். integrate 1 by 9 minus 8x minus x square into dx becomes 1 by 5 square minus of x plus 4 the whole square into dx. This is of the form integral dx divided by a square minus x square equal to 1 by 2a into log of modulus first formula a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So here a is 5 and x is x plus 4. Using this we get 1 by 2 into a, 2 into 5 into log of a plus x, 5 plus x is x plus 4 and divided by 5 minus x plus 4. Here I think brackets and because minus is common to both the terms, so put bracket plus c is equal to 1 by 10 into log of modulus 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 plus x divided by 5 minus x minus 4, 5 minus x minus 4 plus c. So 1 by 10 into log of modulus 9 plus x divided by 5 minus 4 is 1 minus x plus c. Understood this? Next is the third one. 1 by 2 x square minus 9. இதுல எந்த சேஞ்சஸ் கிடையாது, அப்படியே நம்ம இந்த டைப்புக்கு கொண்டு வந்துடலாம். x square minus a square type. That means second type. So it is equal to integral dx divided by, we have to write this as root 2 into x the whole square, isn't it? Root 2 into x whole square means root a into root 2 and x into x square minus 3 square. Okay. This is our second type. So write the formula first. Integral dx divided by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a into log of modulus x minus a by x plus a. Using this formula, here our x is root 2 into x. So இங்க கண்டிப்பா நம்ம டினாமினேட்டர்ல ஒரு root 2 வரும். இதோட கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் டினாமினேட்டர்ல போடுவோம் and a is 3. Okay. இங்க வந்து டினாமினேட்டர்ல ஒரு root 2 கண்டிப்பா போடும். This is equal to 1 by 2a into 2 into a is 3 into log of modulus x minus a root 2x minus 3 by root 2x plus 3 plus c divided by 1 root 2. x உடைய கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் இருக்குதுன்னா கம்பல்சரி நம்ம இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணும்போது டினாமினேட்டர் போடுவோம், டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணும்போது இன்டுல மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல போடுவோம். is equal to இந்த root 2 பக்கத்துல எழுதிக்கோங்க 6 into root 2 log of root 2x minus 3 divided by root 2x plus 3 plus c. This is our answer. Understood this? Let us see fourth one. 1 by x square minus x minus 2. Second sum போடுறோம், அதே போடுறோம். Okay, first x square plus இருக்கு. So second type வரும். So consider the denominator and first two terms மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கணும். இதுல வந்து x is equal to means a is equal to x. Okay, a plus b or a minus b type இருக்கும்போது a minus b the whole square ஏதாவது ஒரு டைப்ல வரும்போது so first இது வந்து a. Next b is coefficient of x. Say coefficient of x is 1 dividing by 2. This is our b. So what is b square? B square is 1 by 2 the whole square, that is 1 by 4. So we have to add and subtract b square. Here we get x square minus x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 2. Okay, is equal to combining these three we get a minus b because x square x sign is minus. X sign எதுக்கோ அதுதான் இங்க. x ஓட sign plus ஆ இருந்தா a plus b minus ஆ இருந்தா a minus b. So our formula becomes 1 by 2 the whole square. Next combining these two, minus 1 by 4 minus 2, taking 4 as LCM we get minus 1 minus 4 2 are 8, get minus 9 by 4. Okay, minus 9 by 4 is equal to x minus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, this is of second type, x square minus a square, x equal to x minus half and a is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, and also x is coefficient 1. So coefficient 1 ஆ இருக்கும்போது இந்த ஃபார்முலால சேஞ்சஸ் கிடையாது. So first integrate, integral sign substitute பண்றோம். 1 by integral apply பண்றோம் into dx equal to here also 1 by x minus half the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square into dx. Okay, into dx. Listen, write the formula first. The formula is integral dx divided by x square minus b square equal to 1 by 2a into log of modulus x minus a by x plus a plus c. Using this formula, listen, in this formula our x is x minus half and a is 3 by 2. Using these two we get 1 by 2a, 2 into what is a? A is 3 by 2. A is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into log of modulus x minus a. X is x minus half minus a is 3 by 2 by x plus a. Okay, plus c. So 2 gets cancelled. We get 1 by 3 into log of modulus. Then adding these two, minus of minus 3 by 2, same denominator. So just add the numerator as we get minus 4. Minus 1 minus 3 become minus 4 by 2 divided by x. 3 by 2 minus half. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 2 become 1. Plus 1. Okay, this become plus 1 plus c. Is equal to 1 by 3 log of x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 plus c. That's all. Let us see 7th one. E power x by e power 2x minus 9. This implies e power x divided by, we rewrite this as e power x the whole square. E power x the whole square means e power 2 into x. 2x we get into dx. Now substitution method use பண்றோம். Substituting e power x equal to t. Okay. Now differentiating this on both sides we get e power x into dx equal to dt. Differentiating on both sides we get e power x into dx is equal to dt and e power x equal to t. Substituting these two values in the integral we get integral e power x into dx equal to dt divided by e power x the whole square, that means t square, and write 9 as 3 square. Okay, this is of the form x square minus a square, second type, using the formula. First write the formula integral dx divided by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a log of modulus x minus a divided by x plus a. Let's see. Okay, here x is t and a is 3. Using this we get 1 by 2 into a. Okay, into log of modulus x minus a, x is t. T minus 3 divided by t plus 3. Let's see. Now substituting t value. T is e power x. Okay, 1 by 6 into log of e power x minus 3 divided by e power x plus 3. This is our answer. Understood this? And do the homework and send by 5 p.m. Thank you, students.